The Hitch Hotel is a comfortable and secure anytime, anywhere hotel room. No more reservations, dense, unwieldy RVs, or DMV restrictions. Just drive, adventure, slide out and sleep. Made for the modern road warrior, the Hitch Hotel hitches to vehicle, wheel-free and totally suspended off the ground. It is designed to give you a safe and streamlined place to call home wherever you are. In its closed position, the Hitch Hotel provides over 60 cubic feet of secured, suspended, watertight space. No more sleeping on the ground. Just you, the open road, and your anywhere hotel room. It is used for Toyota Prius camper. Its secret weapon to being able to sleep comfortably in the Prius is that rear seats fold forward to be nearly completely flat. The front seats also slide forward quite far to give even more to rear. The hammock hitch stand is based off of our current trailer hitch stand. We wanted to innovate the original trailer hitch stand. So, we have made it stronger, easier to pack, and we added the ability to hang a regular hammock. This project has been on our minds for quite some time now, and we are finally ready to release this new product. It can protect your driving sight line in the rainy day. It is anti-glare, anti-stain, anti-mist, anti-scratch, waterproof, rainproof function, rear view mirror, window clear, protective film. It is good at protect your family's safety in the rain day. This hack is very useful in the snow area. It is used for knocking or pinging from the engine that increases with acceleration. Is a car cover exclusively made to North America. This patented car cover will turn car lovers into car cover fanatic for life. This automatic car cover is a kind of semi-automatic car cover that goes on and off your car, quick and easy. This easy cover material is strong, machine washable, safe, and form-fitting, designed with over 176 size combinations. They come in 6 popular colors and styles, suited to your exacting preference and car cover needs. This is a small car garbage can. It's very small can but keep clean the big car.